Okay, today, May 26, 2022. I'm trying to make some orange creamsickle fudge. Here's what I did. I used a 12-ounce bag of Nestle's, Food Line. Well, it looks like Nestle's, but Food Line white bacon chips. A 12-ounce bag. I used that, and of white chocolate morsels. I put that in a saucepan of about this big, and then I put 16-ounce container of vanilla frosting. You put those two together, you melt it in a saucepan on low heat. All right. Now, if you do that and you get it really melted, because it has to be on low heat, because if you put it in the microwave, it will burn. Not good. Okay, so you put those two together and you melt it up. This is the almost final product. All right. The stove is still on. This is what it's coming out looking like. Looks nice, right? Orangey. Okay. I put these two together, and then I mix them two together in a saucepan, melt it up, and then I added 1.5 teaspoons of orange extract. Okay, orange extract, 1.5 teaspoons. I put that stuff in here, and I melted it around. I was on the stove, melted it around. And then I added yellow food dye and red food dye. You just put it in, go like this, like maybe 4 or 5 drops, whatever. Put these two together, and you melt that stuff in, and that's how it comes up looking like this. Beautiful orange. One is for flavoring, and one is for the color. Now what you do with that, that's it. After that, you're supposed to pour it into another container. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour it in this container right here. And I'm going to stick it in the freezer. I'm going to freeze it up. And when I get through, you turn it over and you bang it out. And then you chop up. Well, actually, what you do is you cut it in little pieces. You cut it in little pieces in the container like this. After it dries, after it cools off in the freezer and dries up, and you go like that, and you cut it in pieces. After it's dried and cold, it'll take like hours. And after you get through with it, you cut it up in pieces. After it's all cold, and then you bang it out the cut, and that's it. You will have your simple orange creamsicle fudge. That's it. That's all you got to do. All right. This is the final product. After you pour it in a bowl, this is okay. I'm going to turn the heat off real soon, and it's on low heat right now. And that's it. It's off. Now I have to finish pouring this stuff in that blue bowl. I'm sticking it in the freezer. I'm going to freeze it down. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to cut it off in little pieces like this and cut it. And then I'll bang it out the bowl, and that's it. I will have orange creamsicle fudge. That's it. Good night for May 26, 2022. This is my first cooking video.